I'm here with Alex. Alex, what's happening here?
So we were just going to prove that we can lift the studio if we chose to. Remember, we designed the studio to be lifted by a crane, to be dropped into a garden into the caravan act. So we're just going to lift one up today, put it on the back of this lorry and drive it to where it's going, offload it and put it down. Then we're going to take the second section, offload that, and then we're just going to bolt the two together.
Okay, brilliant.
Shouldn't take too long.
Thank you. Okay, Alex, where are we now then?
Studio's on the lorry, so we're about to head off to its destination. It shouldn't take long because it's not that far away from here, that destination. It's a local trip, unusually, because we take them all over the country. So, but as you can see, it's ready to be transported to its point of destination.
Yep. Okay, where are we now, Alex?
We're now at the site. You see the site's been prepared, so it's just as it is if it was a driveway. I mean, the thing with this garden, you might say, is the views. You can't see them at the minute.
It's a very foggy day today, isn't it?
Yeah, so the owner of the house has, he's fitted the driveway for the studio to sit on, but he's just kept it a bit lower than
All right,
normal.
it's quite a lot lower, isn't it?
Yeah, because it goes right down, so he didn't want to distract from anybody's views.
Yeah.
It is a caravan, but he doesn't want it to dominate the garden, so we've had it dug down. So the studio's going to get lifted off the back of the lorry and just pumped.
So there's two parts to this, isn't there? Which part will this be
This
for?
is a small part of the caravan that's going to drop in. So it's two, like you say, it's a two-part section. So the first part's going to come in and then drop down.
Okay, great. So where are we now, Alex?
Right, the first section in, so dropped in. I mean, he's going to garden, I think, around it, but it'll look stunning when it's all in. As I say, well, you can see the view now. The view is stunning, so that didn't want to be affected. So we're all good to go.
Yeah, excellent.